Isha Textile, premium raw material supplier for mattresses. Isha Textile is a trusted name in the mattress industry, specializing in providing high-quality raw materials for mattress manufacturing. With a strong commitment to quality and innovation, we offer a wide range of materials, including premium fabrics, quilted textiles, foam, and other essential components used in mattress production. Our products are designed to enhance comfort, durability, and aesthetics, meeting the diverse needs of mattress manufacturers. Backed by years of experience and a customer-centric approach, Isha Textile ensures reliable supply, competitive pricing, and customized solutions to help businesses create superior sleep products. For inquiries or partnerships, feel free to reach out to us.